Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a real treat for all you classic car enthusiasts. This is the 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador 990, a true gem from the mid-60s. Whether you're a fan of vintage American sedans or just love exploring unique vehicles, you're in for a ride. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this car so special. Exterior. First things first, let's talk about the exterior. The 1965 Rambler Ambassador 990 has a classic, elegant design that captures the essence of 1960s American sedans. The body is sleek and understated, with a sharp, boxy look that was iconic for the time. It's got that quintessential 60s vibe, chrome bumpers, smooth lines, and a distinct front grille that gives it a strong, confident presence on T. Notice the bold chrome grille at the front, paired with quad headlights. It's simple yet sophisticated. And these wide, full fender wheel arches, classic. It's one of those cars that looks good from every angle, whether you're admiring it from the front or the rear. The side profile showcases the long, flowing lines, with chrome accents along the side that are a hallmark of luxury at the time. It sits on some sleek hubcaps that complement the overall vintage aesthetic. And that rear end. It's clean, with simple tail lights and a little extra chrome to give it that classic touch. Interior. Now, let's step inside and take a look at what makes this cabin so special. The first thing you notice when you open the door is how spacious and comfortable it feels. The interior of the 1965 Rambler Ambassador 990 exudes luxury with a touch of elegance. Check out this gorgeous dashboard, it's all about those 60s touches. You've got this beautiful, wood grain trim that adds a touch of class, and the dashboard is pretty straightforward. The gauges are large and easy to read, and the placement of the controls feels ergonomic for the time. The steering wheel is big and has that vintage, mid-century modern, charm. As for the seats, they're made from high-quality fabric that's both plush and durable. The front bench seat gives the cabin a spacious feel, while the rear seats are just as comfortable, plenty of legroom for passengers. And if you look up, you'll notice the generous headroom, making this a very comfortable ride for longer trips. Performance. Alright, now let's talk performance. Under the hood of this 1965 Rambler Ambassador 990, you'll find a 327 cubic inch V8 engine. This powerhouse puts out around 270 horsepower, which was quite impressive for a car of its size and class in the mid-60s. The 327 V8 engine is paired with either a 3-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission, giving drivers a choice depending on their preferences. The Rambler Ambassador 990 is known for being smooth on the highway, with plenty of torque to handle both city driving and long trips. On the road, the 990 feels surprisingly smooth for a car of its size. The handling is solid, and although it's not a sports car by any means, it has plenty of get up and go when you need it. The suspension system is designed to offer a comfortable ride, and it does just that, even on bumpy or uneven roads. So, there you have it, the 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador 990 is a stunning example of 1960s American automotive design. From its timeless exterior styling to its well-appointed interior and solid performance, this car truly stands out as a classic. It's a perfect blend of luxury and practicality, and you can see why it earned a place in the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors alike. If you're looking for a vintage car that combines elegance with reliable performance, the Rambler Ambassador 990 is definitely worth considering. Whether you're cruising down the highway or showing it off at a car show, this beauty will definitely turn heads. Thanks for joining me today to take a closer look at the 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador 990. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more classic car content. Drop a comment below, have you ever driven or owned an AMC Rambler? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.